Hey 944 fans, Tim at CRE here with a knucklehead special to show you guys. This intake manifold gasket is mounted correctly with the cutout. You can see the cutout right here. It should match the injector cutout right there, and you can see that if the injector pintle cap is in there, it makes an unobstructed path for the fuel to fan out and atomize. Where you compare that against this guy down here, you can see this guy right here. This guy right here, they have the gasket on with the divot here upside down instead of over here, so you're partially blocking your injector pattern into the intake manifold. So remember, numbers 4, 3, and 2 go one way, I think, and number 1 goes the other way. You can even see that they're mounted at different angles. 3 of them go this way and 1 goes this way. So pay attention to that when you're putting on your intake manifold gaskets to make sure you get the right spray and atomizing pattern of fuel into your intake runners, okay? Thanks.